Nizamabad parliamentary constituency, where you have the TRS MP and KCR's daughter K. Kavita, who is contesting. 245 farmers filed their nomination yesterday, which was the last day of filing of their nominations for the first phase of elections that are to take place on the 11th of April. So what exactly does it suggest when it comes to the political situation there on ground? Because over 200 farmers there filing their nomination papers from Telangana's Nizamabad parliamentary constituency, where you have TRS chief and sitting MP K. Kavita, who is contesting from them. Let me straight away go across to Krishnamurthy for more on this. Krishnamurthy, how does it explain the political situation there on ground? What exactly led to over 200 farmers filing their nomination? And this is clearly a voice that goes against TRS.
Well, that's right. Now, Telangana, more than 200 farmers have filed a nomination against MP K. Kavita, sitting MP K. Kavita, who is also the daughter of Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao. Now, just to give you an idea of how exactly works, the belt exactly is where there are a lot of farmers in India, in the Maharashtra, North Karnataka and North Telangana belt is where a lot of farmers, most number of suicides actually happen in that particular part of area. So farmers are there in votes in that particular area who form most number of voters. But this time, the first time that TRS MP Kavita is again, she is looking for a has renominated herself for the MP post on that particular area in Nizamabad. And most of the farmers are not happy with the kind of farm loan labour which are actually offered by the TRS government. That's why they have decided to contest in large numbers against K. Kavita, just to spread the message that they are very serious about the farm loan waivers and farming community. All these jobs have been offered to farming communities which are not benefited. So that is why so many farmers, just to spread out a message, are seriously contesting against K. Kavita. They have filed nomination, and incidentally, that is the highest number of nominations being filed against Kavita in the Telangana area in Nizamabad. And
absolutely, a voice to straight away go against the ruling TRS, and especially when you have his daughter and sitting MP also contesting from the very same seat there. Krishnamurthy, for the moment, thank you very much.